Yes, sir.
Good morning, all of you. So now coming to the 27th question of this Bangalore Sahodaya set 2. So please, anybody read?
Identify two physical properties of metals depicted from the given picture.
Yes. So if you observe the given picture carefully, you can see we have to find the two properties from this. So one property easily you can find. So let us see what is that property. Can you guess it, guys? Yes, anybody? Please. So you can see here it has been drawn into what, guys? That is what I am asking.
Drawn into thin sheets.
So it has been drawn into thin sheets.
Malleability.
So, drawn into thin sheets called as what, guys? So malleability. No. So that is what people know it. So it is a malleability. So it is not under ductility. So ductility is it is not. So ductility means what? Drawn into thin wires.
Thin wire.
So it is not a thin wire. It has been drawn into thin sheets. So wherever you have a ductility, we can eliminate that options. Is it yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Hardness and ductility also. So ductility is what is the correct answer now? Luster and malleability. That's all. Do you understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by
Yes,
luster?
sir.
Luster means what? Luster means
Shiny appearance.
Shiny appearance.
so
Shiny appearance.
is it this pen is looking good, guys? White color.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Surface. So what is the correct answer? So identify two physical properties of metals depicted from this given picture: a shining, luster, and
Luster
okay. That is. So next one. This is very important. So the substance X is used in whitewashing
Okay, watch twice.
of limestone in the absence of air. So what is that X they are asking? So what is that, guys? So in the absence of air,
Calcium hydroxide.
limestone. So limestone means what is that, guys? Calcium?
Calcium carbonate.
Calcium carbonate. So if we'll start heating, if we'll start heating in the absence of oxygen, then what is the products we used to get, Nitinath? Calcium oxide.
Carbon dioxide.
No. This calcium oxide only, if you dissolve in water, this is what we are using in whitewashing. So which we used to get calcium
Hydroxide.
No. This calcium hydroxide, if you are using for applying whitewashing, it will react with water. It will react with the
Carbon dioxide.
calcium dioxide, and it will give what, guys? Calcium carbonate.
Yes, water.
What is the substance we are using in whitewashing here? What is the substance we are using in whitewashing? CaO. What is that called as? Calcium oxide. Understand, guys? Calcium oxide. So calcium oxide also we can call it as, what is the name of this? Quicklime. Quicklime, or we can say simply lime. Correct. Okay. So what is the correct answer? This question so many times I told you, correct? This question usually when it is general exam also, this question used to ask so many times. That is fine. Be very careful with this. Nitish, understand this? Yalni, please call to others. I need full strength. That next. Give the ratio in which hydrogen and oxygen present. Understand? Hydrogen and oxygen present in water.
2:1.
What?
2:1. 2:1, sir. 2:1.
Wow. So hydrogens are 2 and oxygens are 1. So that is what?
2:1.
What is the answer? So 2 is to
Option C, sir.
2, wrong, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 8. So 2 is to 1.
Option C, sir.
C is the correct answer. Understand, everybody? Clear? Next, you can see here. Ionic compounds are formed due to, as we know, ionic compounds when will form, guys? Ionic compound
Transfer of electrons.
Transfer of electrons.
Compounds will form by one metal plus one non-metal. Means one donor should be there and one receiver should be there. Is it yes or no? Yes, guys.
Yes,
So one donor plus one receiver, then only it will form ionic compound. That is what we know. That means somebody should share and somebody should receive. Now you can see how ionic compounds are formed, they are saying. So transfer of protons between them. So as I said, no transfer of protons. Who will transfer up? No transfer of protons. Protons will never change. Understanding? Protons only will decide the characteristics of atom. Is it yes or no, guys? Respond. So protons is always fixed. Who will transfer? Sharing of electrons. No. Sharing of electrons, what will come, guys? Sharing of electrons, we used to get
Covalent bonds.
Covalent bond.
Understanding? See, I am not concentrating on only this MCQ. We need a complete concept when we are studying some MCQs. So next, ionic compounds only will form by what? Transfer of electrons.
Transfer of electrons.
So here they have given sodium. So sodium will give you chlorine. What we used to get, guys? So
NaCl.
Na plus and Cl minus.
Cl
Is it
minus.
or no? That is what it is. So it is the ionic compound by donating one electron and by receiving one electron. Understand, everybody? So that is. So absence of neutrons. Neutrons will never involve and protons also will never involve. So formation of ionic compounds, who is involved, Kevin? Varshini? Only Arya?
Electrons.
Only electrons.
Transfer of electrons.
So very simple only. It is not a difficult thing at all. So that is. So next, reasoned assertion. Be careful. And this is what the where you people are facing problem. So be very careful and answer the questions. Next. You can check it. First one. Corrosion of iron is commonly known as rusting.
Yes,
Corrosion
sir. Correct, sir.
is commonly known as rusting. Is it yes or no? Yes, it
Yes,
is.
sir.
Corrosion of iron occurs in presence of moist air. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it will be presence. It will occur in
Yes,
presence
sir.
of moist air only. So now this is now you question, is it? So as we know, both are true, but is there any relation or not? You have to question. So now you tell me. We are calling corrosion of iron is a rusting. Is it because of it is taking place in the presence of moisture air? It
No,
is
sir.
common name. Yes or no?
No, sir.
It is. We are not calling it is because it is rusting because of it is taking place at the presence of moisture. Yes or no? Just we are keeping as a common name. So common name for iron. Iron is the most corrosive metal. That is why we have kept a special name for that called as rusting. So it is not because of it is taking place presence of moist air. So what is the correct answer, guys? What is the correct answer?
B.
Option
B, sir.
So B,
B.
analyzing is most important. So option B, because both statements are correct, but reason is not explaining the assertion. Understanding? That is clear, everybody. This statement, any doubt, anybody can ask me. Tarani, Yelmati, Dilipan, Arun Karthikeyan, clear? That is. So anybody wants to ask me anything, you can see. Now, when a mixture of hydrogen and chlorine is placed in sunlight, hydrogen chloride is formed. Is it formed? A mixture of hydrogen
No,
and
sir.
No,
So-
sir.
understanding. So it will never possible. It is not a photolytic reaction. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir.
Respond, everybody. So now what will happen? What will happen? Now it is the decomposition. It is an example of decomposition reaction. Is it an example of decomposition reaction? Is it a
Combination only, no, sir.
reaction? That is.
Sir.
So please all of you
Combination.
and see. Now, when a mixture of hydrogen and chlorine is placed in sunlight, so it is not possible to form. Is it anywhere? Have you studied like that? It is formation, combination reactions. Please check it, all of you. Then both statements are wrong, correct? Then how we can? Yes or no?
It's a photolytic reaction.
Photolytic reaction, is it? Photolytic reaction will form, but it is not the photolytic reaction, correct? It is the
Thermal decomposition, sir.
No. When a mixture of hydrogen and chlorine is placed in sunlight, Just that is what we have to get confirmed. Formation,
Sir, assertion is false only, no, sir.
ma?
Sir, assertion is false only, no, sir.
Assertion is false. That is what I am also
Then how
thinking.
can we refer to
Yes.
these films,
No.
sir?
Yes. But assertion is true. Very good. So just now I am seeing in book also. Please, all of you remember at the starting combination reaction. Some examples of the combination reaction which will take
Yes,
place.
sir.
For example, see, if we'll take magnesium. Now I will say this is the situation coming. That is what I am saying. Please, all of you remember. Assertion is true. I will give you the explanation. But it is the example of what, Ra? It is an example of what? It is an example of combination reactions.
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction. So that is why
Assertion is true, sir.
reason is false and assertion is true. What is the assertion is true and reason is false? Which option is correct, Ra? Option C.
D, sir.
Option,
Oh, C, yes, sir.
option C. Understand, Padmarshini? Now I will give you the equations. Please, all of you learn. Now I will teach you 3 examples. The 3 examples you please kindly learn. So now first one. Formation of magnesium oxide. It is formed by burning. What is that, Ra? Formation of magnesium oxide. It will form by burning. Please, all of you remember. And also it will produce again heat. So this is what the equation. Is it okay, guys? Please understand. Next, iron. Formation of iron sulfide. Fe plus S. This is also will form by, understand, it is also an example of combination reaction. It is also by heating. Heating. What is this? By heating, we used to get FeS. Is it okay, all of you? Next, hydrogen reacts with the chlorine in the presence of sunlight. This is what I want to say. So, before I taught you only formation of hydrogen chloride, but not taught under what? So it is will takes place under sun. Please, all of you remember. But it is not hydrochloric acid. What is this called, guys?
Hydrogen chloride.
Please remember.
Hydrogen chloride.
Hydrogen chloride. So this is the one new thing we are studying from this. It will takes place under what, Varshini? Under sunlight. Please.
Sunlight.
This is what? So sunlight is the most important one here. So now this is the second example which will carry under sunlight. What is the another example of carry under sunlight? Which reaction?
Silver chloride.
Silver chloride is silver bromide.
Decomposition reaction, combination reaction will take place under sunlight. Have you noticed it? Photosynthesis reaction. Photosynthesis reaction. That is what I want. Are you understand, everybody? Yes,
sir.
that is. So
Yes,
please, till now we have been studied formation of hydrogen chloride. What is the state of this one? Hydrogen is also gaseous state. Chlorine is also
Yes.
gaseous state. Understand? Now here iron is in gaseous solid state. Sulfur is also in solid state. So next one, magnesium is in solid state. Oxygen is in gaseous state. So we used to get again solid state only. So these are the examples of combination reaction which will take place differently. This is direct burning. You may be asked me, sir, what is the difference between burning and heating? What is the difference between burning and heating? Anybody? Arun Karthikeyan, Ashika? Please. Burning means direct heating. Understanding? That is, you have to remember. Heating means we will never heat directly. We will keep it in a container and we'll eat. Understand, everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. So from this is the reason assertion which you should learn. One thing, that is what? The formation of hydrogen chloride will take place under what, guys? It will take place under sunlight. This is the most important MCQ. Please kindly learn. Understand, Ra? So under sunlight it will take place. So this is also new thing which we learn. So be careful, guys. Okay, Ra? Next, here one more thing I'm saying. They may be asked you. This is already you know. Formation of sulfur trioxide. What is the catalyst we are using? This is already I have taught you, but you must know. So formation of sulfur trioxide. The catalyst which we are using, vanadium oxide. What is this? Vanadium oxide. So this is also please learn. Again, the situation will come if they'll ask you this again. We should not say we don't know. These are the things you should learn it. That's all. So hope you all understand that. Correct. Next question. At least there is no response from anyone. Okay. So next question. Yeah, biology question. Excretion is the biological process by which harmful waste are removed from the organism's body. Excretion
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
biological process by which harmful waste are removed
Reason is
removed
false.
from an organism.
Reason false, sir.
sir.
First, you have to make it is true or false. That is true. Now, next reason. Mode of
The
excretion
reason is false, sir.
completely same in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. No, correct? So, unicellular organisms, understanding the excretion will take place through the cell. What is that? Cell wall only, correct? That body only, single cell inside. But the multicellular organisms, it is a very big process. It is both are is it cellular excretion? No, correct or not?
No, sir.
So it is false.
sir.
So assertion is true and reason is false. Which option is correct? Option C is the correct answer. Are you understand, Ra? Still 7 members need to join. Are you understand, Tarani? Dina? Next. Physics. A ray incident along normal to the mirror retrace its path. Retrace its path. Normal. Please check it. Retrace its path. Next. In reflection, the angle of incident is always equals to the angle of reflection. Yes.
Both are true but not correct
Reason
explanation. Explanation.
Now you see.
Both
A ray incident
reason false.
along normal to the mirror retrace its path. Retrace its
True,
path.
sir.
Try to understand.
True.
Now this is the
True,
mirror.
sir.
Yes, this is the mirror. If you'll see, if I have inserted perpendicularly, normal means what, Ra? Normal means what? Perpendicularly.
Perpendicular.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
No. So normal means perpendicularly only. So if I have been inserted the incident ray perpendicularly, then what will happen, Ra? It will go and will strike, and again it will be retray itself in the same path. Yes or no? So means in the sense of
Yes.
what? It is true. Correct? So why it is
Yes,
true?
Yes, sir.
Always why it will be retray itself back? Because in this case, what is the incident angle? Both normal and incident angle is incident ray is coinciding. So incident angle is 0, angle of refraction is also 0. So that is why it is retraying itself in the same path. So now, what is the correct C? Now you can answer. Let me, who will answer? So it
Option B, sir.
Correct explanation. Reason false, sir. Reason false.
Option B.
option B.
sir.
Arey,
Sir, option C, sir. Reason false, sir.
reason false.
Correct,
option A,
sir.
Reason is also true, sir.
It is always equals to the angle of reflection. Is it true? It is true only. Correct.
Sir, option A, sir.
Angle of incident is always equals to angle of reflection. It is true or not?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but in reflection is there, sir. Refraction only, sir.
Ray,
In reflection only.
both are same, Ra. Loss of reflection, loss of refraction. Always angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. What, Nitinath? Their angle of refraction. Understand,
Okay,
Nitinath?
sir.
Sir, in refraction, how, sir, the both angle will be equal?
Yeah,
Angle of refraction will be
remember,
smaller only, no, sir.
by the time when it is traveling, that is what I said. The law of reflections always there. We used to get Snell's law, sin A by sin R, which is equals to constant always. That is the second law. And this one, a reflection, the angle of incident is always is equals to angle of refraction. Angle of incident. So have you remembered? Angle of incident is always equals to angle of reflection. Do you remember, Nitinath? I is equals to R. Understand? That is how to remember. So now you can. What? Refraction, it will be the Snell's law, sin I by sin R, which is equals to what? Always constant. This is the second law in the refraction. Do you understand? Yes?
Sir.
That is you have to remember. Yes, now you tell me, what is the answer? Nobody knows?
Both are correct, sir.
Both are correct, but why it is
Correct explanation.
See, it is retraying itself in the own path. Why? Because of it is satisfying this law only, correct? Unless until how it will go. Do you understand, everybody? That is what, like questions you will feel difficulty, you can read. Understanding? Okay, Ra. So like these questions, if you are calculating, please leave it. But what is the correct answer here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First one, it is retray itself its own path. Why? Because of it is satisfying always angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. Correct. In this case, what is the angle of incident and what is the angle of reflection? Anybody? What is
Normal.
Zero, sir.
Zero,
Angle of
zero.
incidence also zero.
No, it is
Reflection also zero.
satisfying this. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what you have to answer. Then why you people are saying like this? That is. So please write it. So what is the correct answer? Option
Yes, sir.
A. That is. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
See, understand. See, both statements you identify correct. Now, a relation are there or not, how should I identify? It is happening, retray itself is a own path. Why, guys? Because of it is satisfying second law of reflection. Is it yes or no, Nitina? Are you understand, Arvind? Nitish?
Yes, sir.
That is why it is true. A. Understand, everybody. That is, please kindly remember. Don't simply answer it. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
A blue litmus paper was first dipped in HCl and then dipped in NaOH solution. It was observed that the color of the litmus paper, then
Blue.
Red, sir. Blue, sir. Blue,
Blue,
sir.
sir.
a blue litmus solution first dipped in the HCl. So first it is dipped in the where, guys? Acid.
Change to red color.
Acid solution.
It is dipped in the acid. Is it yes or no? So it is dipped in the acid.
Yes, sir.
Means, tell me what will happen? It is dipped in the acid.
Red color will come, sir.
Blue litmus changes
It will
to
turn
red.
into blue litmus will turns into blue
Red
litmus.
litmus.
Suppose
Red, sir.
taking blue litmus. So blue
Red.
litmus will turns into red. Now again it is dipped in the base. So again it will turns into what? Again it will turns into what?
Blue.
Blue only.
Blue.
So what is the color of this? What is the color?
Blue, sir.
Blue. Understand, everybody? So after observation, the color is blue. Next, the structural and functional unit of kidney.
Nephron.
Nephron.
Nephron, sir.
Nephrons. Understanding? That is. Next, the extracellular fluid released from the capillaries is.
Lymph. Lymph.
Released from the capillaries is called as what? Along with the blood,
Lymph.
so another liquid. That is what we should call as lymph.
Sir. Sir.
Color what, sir?
Lymph is colorless, sir. A pale yellow color, sir.
Colorless, but it will be like pale yellow color. If it is colorless, is there color? Pale yellow color will be there. You can keep it, no problem. But we can say colorless only. It is
Okay, sir.
okay. Next, what is the first enzyme to mix with the food? That is digestive tract.
Amylase.
Amylase.
Amylase. What amylase it is?
Salivary amylase.
Correct, ah? Yes. It is. What is up? Every time it is going and coming. 1 minute. What is that? Salivary amylase. Yes or no? That is.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next. Next question. Yes, please. Physics. I don't think so. You'll take much time for this. It is already we have solved. Two
Yes,
thin.
sir. 1D.
Yes, 3D and minus 2D. So what is the power of combination? So power of combination is equal
1D, sir.
1D, sir.
to P2, which is equals to 3 plus minus 2D, which is equals to what?
Plus 1D,
3
sir.
minus 2D, see, which is equals to
Plus 1.
1D. So now, this and all you are not supposed to solve in exam, but your explanation I am saying you here, but it should not be happen. Do you understand? So 1D, so positive means which lens, Ra? It is the convex.
Convex.
Yes, guys. Respond. It is
Plus 100 centimeters,
so
sir.
Option B, sir.
focal length is
Plus
what?
100
Plus 1D plus
Focal length is what? Focal length is positive. That's all. So now, so F is equals to 1 by 1. So we know 100. So now, which is equals to 100 by 1, which is equals to how much, Ra? 100 centimeters.
100.
That's all. So plus 100 centimeters. So what is the correct answer?
Option B, sir.
B, sir.
B. That's all. Are you understand, Arvind? Karthikeyan, Arun Karthikeyan? That is. So next, the focal length of a plane mirror is. The focal length of a plane mirror is.
Infinite, sir. Infinite. Infinite.
Always the light rays are parallel to each other. Is it yes or no? So they will never converge at any point. So what is this called as? Infinity. So what is that? Infinite. This is also I have taught you. Do you understand, Ra? Say same size always it will form. What will form? Same size it will form. So on the focal length will be always infinite because they will never merge at any point. That is the reason. Okay, guys. Next, a plant get rid of excess water through transpiration, which is a method used by plants to get rid of solid waste products. Solid waste.
Shedding of yellow leaves.
Shedding of yellow leaves. Shedding of yellow leaves. Understand? This is also direct question. It is also, I think, repeated question again. Correct? Yes. So shedding of yellow leaves. That is the correct answer. Next one. Next question.
Hemoglobin, sir.
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
Human is
Hemoglobin.
hemoglobin. That is next. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 12 centimeters.
Minus
Yes.
Minus six.
Focal length will be-
Plus
Plus 24.
Minus 6.
Minus
Concave
sir.
mirror. Concave means focal length.
Minus 6, sir.
Negative. That
minus
is
D
what
option,
be
sir.
careful. Negative.
Minus 6.
Minus 6 centimeter.
Minus 12 centimeter. So now 2f is equals to minus 12. F is equals to minus 12 divided by 2, which is equals to minus
Minus
6
6.
centimeter. Now,
Minus 6 centimeter.
so here minus 6 plus 6 both are there. Do you notice it? So minus 6. Why it is minus? Because concave mirror, what is the focal length? Karthikeyan. Arun Karthikeyan. Yalni.
Negative.
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 So minus 6. Understand, Nitinath? No response. Next. The given property of a concave lens is helpful in which of the following cases? Given property of a concave lens, uses of concave lens, if you'll remember, it will be remembered. So helpful in which of the following cases? Please.
magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass, it will possible. That is what you.
Spectacles, sir.
Huh?
Spectacles. Spectacles, sir.
Understanding spectacles. You don't know, guys. By seeing image itself, you can understand. Have you remembered? To focus the far point object, we have to focus at the some near point. We have to make it. Do you remember? For concave, which one we can use? Myopia or hypermetropia? Convex, concave lens. Concave,
Myopia. Myopia.
Myopic eye.
Myopia.
Yes or no? So myopic eye. So myopic eye, what is the another name of myopia?
Short-sightedness.
Short-sightedness.
Short-sightedness. That is what you have to understand. So they can, that is, so periscope we will use plane mirrors. Yes or no? Next, magnifying glass we will use what? Concave or convex?
Convex, sir.
We have to focus the light. Is it yes or no? So that is. So next, car window shields we will use what? Convex mirrors. Understand? Yes or no? Next.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is this? Spectacles only will use this. That's all.
Concave.
Be careful because it is correcting the myopic eye. We will use that one. So next, this one, identify the wrong image among the given pictures. Dilipan will answer. Let me see. Dilipan, can you able to answer? Dilipan, sir. Anusri. Yes. First one you can check it. Going through the center of curvature, optical center, what will happen? It will go without deviation. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So it is right. Which is going parallel to the principal axis.
Sir, 2 and 3, sir.
It is also 2. Next, going through the focus.
4 is wrong, sir.
Hello.
4 is wrong, sir.
Only 4.
Parallel to the principal
1, 2, 3 and correct. 4 is wrong, sir.
Now, what is the correct? What is the
Only
wrong
4.
one? What is
Only
4, sir.
only 4? Who said 3 and 4? 3 also correct only because going through the focus it will become what? Going through the focus
No,
it will
sir. I
become
said 3 and 4 are.
Yeah,
3
going
and
to
2
the
are
focus.
Parallel to the principal axis, sir.
It will become parallel to the principal axis. Don't think that going through the focus here itself only become parallel. Any direction it will become parallel. Do you understand, guys? So it is also
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So careful. That is what I will suggest. So that is also correct. So going through the focus, it will become parallel to the principal axis. But here you can see going through the focus, again it is going through the focus. It should not go into the focus. It is need to go parallel to the principal axis. So that is why it is the only wrong. So what is the correct answer, Ra? So only 4. Understand?
See.
Only 4. So what is the question they are asking? Among the given picture, identify the wrong images. So what is the wrong image here? Only 4, not
Four.
other things. Are you clear, everybody? Arun, Ashika, Anusri, Akhil Arfan.
Yes,
That next, you were given water, mustard oil, glycerin, and kerosene. In which of these media a ray of light incident obliquely at the same angle would bend the most? Would bend the most? Obliquely with the same angle, it will bend the most. It will bend the most. Question I will explain you. Listen. Obliquely means what? Yalamati. Yesterday also I have
Angle, sir.
with some angle.
with angle, sir.
With some angle.
some angle.
Yes, guys, try to understand carefully. Now, that is the reason I told you to learn the tabular column. Now they are saying almost at the same angle would the bend most. Means incident angle is almost same. Do you understand what they are saying? Almost same. So almost same means in which one, guys? Means which is yes, which is having a least refractive index. Yes or no? Least refractive index. Is it yes or no, guys? Because if they are having both are having same refractive index, then light ray will go in a same path. Please respond. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now they are asking least. Obliquely at the same angle would bend the most, they are asking. So now, which is having, you can check it, which is having a refractive index close to the water, air, that will be the answer.
Sir,
So,
kerosene.
uh,
Sir, kerosene.
you check the tabular column, that is